Hello, we are trecoconut, and our project is to build a smart refrigerator. So why do we have this idea? It is because as nowadays people become increasingly busier, it's easier for them to forget what they have purchased and put into the refrigerator. And busier people also spend less time on preparing healthy diets.
Therefore, we came up with an idea of a smart refrigerator to help people ameliorate the situation of forgetting foods in their fridge and having no idea of what to eat every day. We hope to assist people to have a more convenient and healthy eating life.
Our smart fridge is based on Raspberry Pi with a camera to detect what we have in the fridge. Besides, we can give the users some purchase recommendation based on their eating habits. Also, it can provide them recipe recommendation based on what they have in the fridge.
What's more, we also provide the food pyramid and the details of the food nutrition and the daily calorie that people take in each day to check on the app. Based on this, people can make adjustments to their daily diets and live more healthy. So let's see how it works. Thank you. Oh, this app shows me that my beef in the fridge will be expired today. I should eat it.
This shows the notification function of our fridge app, which provides 3 kinds of notifications: expiration date, run out food, and non-time no eat food notification. Specifically, we set expiration date for each food every time we put the food into the fridge, and when it reaches expiration date of a certain food, we will receive the notification that we need to eat them. As for the second kind of notification, when the food that we have ate for more than 7 days run out, the fridge will remind us to buy that food. With regard to the third kind of notification, the food will remind us to eat vegetables if we haven't eaten any kind of vegetables for 2 days.
So now we are going to buy some food that we need. So let's go. And let's buy some apples. I choose 2 apples. Shopping bag. Let's see what I get. I buy some carrots. Let's put into the fridge. And some broccoli. And a bottle of juice. And an apple. And let's see whether the camera and the fridge can detect this food.
As you can see, the fridge can recognize the broccoli, orange juice, and apple I put in it using the camera and keep the food list updated.
Now it's time for lunch. Let's see what recipe the app can recommend to me.
This is the function of recipe recommendation. There will show some default food in the recipe searching area based on the updated food list of the fridge. So we can see broccoli and carrot here. By searching the recipe of them, we can choose one we prefer and make our meals following the recipe.
After the meal, when we want to check how much calories we have taken in for this meal, we can check this page. As we can see, we have eaten 2 dishes of broccoli and 1 dish of carrots, and you can check the calories of them. Moving to this page, we can check how much we ate in the past 2 weeks for each layer of the food pyramid. You know, the regular food pyramid has 5 layers: staple food or bread, vegetables and fruits, dairy, meat, and junk food. As you can see, the gray color shows the condition of this week, and the top of dairy means this week we eat dairy most. Clicking the nutrition button, we can check the nutrition of the total food we ate yesterday, including carbs, fat, and protein. The food pyramid can help us know what we should eat every day and what we should eat less frequently, while the food nutrition can instruct people to choose more high-protein food to eat, rather than high-fat and high-carbs food. Based on such information, people can balance their diets and live a healthier life. Here we also leave a place to put some advertisements for merchants so that we can also make some money from this app.